Hello dear Leo, this is your reading for the new moon of May 11, 2021. I hope you guys are keeping safe. Oh god, no, too many cards, can't pick them all. I have to shuffle it again. What's happening? I think there's something really powerful going on in your life, and that's why the cards are coming out. Sometimes it happens, you know. Sorry about that though. See, too many cards. So I'm going to select two cards, guys. Interesting. I want to select this one. Oh, this one also popped out, so I'll have to select this one also. The Angel of Comfort and the Angel of Divine Timing. These are your two angels. Wow, the Angel of Comfort and the Angel of Divine Timing means I feel that you guys are really waiting on something, Leos, like maybe that phone call, maybe that message, maybe that relationship, maybe that job, maybe that business, something to happen in your life. And divine timing coming into picture means that everything will happen at its own time, you know. If you guys are fighting with your partner, and if you guys are, you know, not speaking with each other, you guys are waiting for them to text you, and they are waiting on you to text or something like that. It says, because this has come in your reading, the Angel of Divine Timing is telling you that maybe this distance is for a reason. This fight is for a reason, you know. Maybe this is supposed to happen so that, you know, they see a clearer picture of you, or they start respecting you more, or they draw boundaries if there is a third party involved, you know, or they become more mature. If that relationship is not happening that you're waiting for, and if you're single, then maybe, you know, like I said just now, that maybe the other person that you want is not ready for it, you know. Whoever that is meant for you, if you're not in a relationship, whoever that's meant for you is still stuck in their karmic cycle, you know, and until they complete their karmic cycle, they will not come to you. So you will have to wait a little more, and this is the divine timing. This is how it's planned. So don't think that it is not happening right now. Maybe you're jobless right now, or maybe you want to start a business and it's not happening right now. So don't think that, oh, I am good for nothing, and you know, things will never move forward for me, and I will never have that relationship, or I will never get that job. You know, a lot of you must be going through that kind of feeling. So don't think like that, because the Angel of Comfort is here and the Angel of Divine Timing is here. Nothing beautiful than that. So let's see what the angel has to say. Do you feel like you keep missing on opportunities? You know, sometimes the same offer came to you also, and your friend also, and your friend got selected and you did not. So maybe there's something better. Why don't you think like that? Do you wish to recognize opportunities when they knock? So, you know, sometimes you're offered more choices in front of you and you don't know which one to select, right? So that kind of a feeling you must be going through, Leos. Maybe you have a lot of opportunities around the new moon or in the month of May, and if you're not able to make a decision, trust that that right job or that right decision will come to your mind when the time is right. Or you will know, just trust your gut, you will know which one is the correct one. Out of two people, if you have to choose in your relationship which one is the correct one, or out of two jobs, then which one is the correct one. It says, have faith that divine timing is at play in your life. Believe that you're always in the right place at the right time with the right people. What better than that? You are in the right place with the right people right now at the right time. Just don't compare your life with others, okay, that they have achieved so much and I haven't. Don't do that, because they are moving at their own pace, at their own timing, on the basis of what's written for them, on the basis of what their karma cycle is. You are moving as per your karma cycle, and there's no bigger truth than that, okay, Leos? Remember that. Now the Angel of Comfort, it's asking you, are you grieving the loss of someone or something? So I believe some of you maybe lost somebody, or maybe you broke up, and or maybe some of you, like I said, lost their job, and that's why you're waiting on that new job offer or that new love that can actually, you know, nourish you and make you feel better and make you feel loved and not feel alone around this time. So you are definitely going through that grieving period, you know. If not actually a loss of someone, then just a breakup can actually cause heartbreak as well. A loss of job can actually cause a heartbreak as well, and you're waiting for that, you know, the person or the job, you know, your the passion to come into picture. It's saying feel the grief and allow yourself to cry. You know, if there's a breakup or if there's a loss of someone or the loss of job and it's making you overwhelmed, then please go ahead and cry. It's the angel are asking you to feel the grief and allow yourself to cry. Release the toxins from your body, mind and emotional being. Trust me, when you cry you feel better. You feel much better because it's like a burden taken off from you. Comfort and peace are close at hand because the angel of comfort is here. So definitely you are comforted by the angels. Definitely the angels are around you. Maybe that job was not meant for you. Maybe that person was toxic for you. Or maybe that business had to wait because you couldn't trust the timings, you know, because the world is at a standstill. So you may have occurred a lot of losses if you would have invested that money, right? Think like that. Focus your attention on the desired outcome. So instead of focusing on what has happened, which was negative in your life, focus on what's going to happen, on what is positive, what is that you want. You want that relationship, or you want that person to come back, you want that fight to be resolved. Picture yourself as, you know, being happy with each other, just good thoughts. Or that new job, picture yourself as working with that new company, you know, or that new business. It will come to you when the time is right, because the angel of divine timing is here. Definitely the angels are there for you. So the positive affirmations I'm going to read out for you, which you need to do at least 3 times. Say them at least 3 times. Like whatever I'm going to say, repeat this 3 times at a time. You can just do it at night. Start doing it today and do it until the new moon. So the angel of comfort says, I allow myself to feel my feelings and express them through my physical and mental actions. Tears flow easily and I'm releasing pent-up emotions. I am able to let go. I am comforted. I am at peace. Say this starting from today until the new moon. The angel of divine timing is asking you to do these positive affirmation. Favorable opportunities present themselves to me in many ways. I recognize these opportunities and follow through on their promise. I always seem to be in the right place at the right time. I enjoy the benefits of divine timing. You know, the moment you shift your focus from this is not happening and that is not happening, or why me, and start thinking positive and start saying these affirmations, your life will change and you'll see it. Okay? So everything is happening according to the divine timing. Remember that. See, it just moved. So it means it's a yes from the universe. So Leos, don't you worry and take care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.